Hello folks, my name is Mark. I'm a med tech, and I want to talk to you about a little known fact today as part of our Did You Know series. When you calculate the magnification of a microscope, it's always the ocular times the objective. So if you have a 100x oil immersion objective times 10, it's 1000x magnification, which is really the limit for clinical light microscopes here. Well, people say, well, if I put a 20x ocular up here, don't I have 2000 magnification? No, not really. The cells will be twice as big, but the resolution, the sharpness of the image is determined by the objective, not by the ocular. The ocular is called a diopter. It's like a magnifier. So let me give you an analogy. If I have a projector running and an image on the wall, and I move the projector back, the image gets bigger on the wall, but there's no more detail in the image. It's just a blown up version of what you saw when the projector was closer. Same thing here. If you increase the magnification of the ocular, the cells are bigger looking through the microscope, but there's no more detail in the image. There's no more resolution. So the resolution is controlled by the objective, not by the ocular. And 1000x is really all you really get in terms of resolution on the microscope. So thanks so much. Have a great day.